In this video tutorial, you will learn how to make a grid in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe the channel. Start by creating a rectangle. Go to Object, Path, Split into Grid. Make sure to turn on the preview option. In the row section, you can increase or decrease the number of rows. Same in the column section, you can adjust the number of columns. In the height option, you can increase or decrease the height of a single row. In the gutter option, you can adjust the spacing between these rows. Here is the column width option. You can adjust the column width. Here you can adjust the gap between these columns. The last one is total size. This option will change the overall size of the grid. You can also enable Smart Guide option here. Our grid is ready. We can change the stroke size here. We can also fill our desired color. One thing to notice is these are the individual boxes. We can remove any unwanted box in this grid like this. So after finalizing the grid, make sure to group it. Second method, if you are using the basic version of Illustrator, you may have limited tools here. To get more advanced tools, select Essential Classic Workspace. You can see our toolbar is having all the missing tools now. Now right click on the line tool and choose Rectangular Grid tool. So here while drawing the grid, if you use arrow keys of your keyboard, then you can increase or decrease the number of rows and columns of your grid. Like previous option, you can set the stroke size, add your desired fill color. If you click once on the artboard, a pop-up will appear where you can set the width and height of grid. Also adjust the number of horizontal dividers and vertical dividers. Press OK. The grid will be created according to the options we have selected in the pop-up box. So let's delete all these. You can also draw a polar grid in Adobe Illustrator. If you want to increase or decrease the number of rows or columns, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. I hope you have learned how to make a grid in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.